We're going kayaking for my birthday. For my birthday. For my birthday. So yeah, my sister's taking me kayaking for my birthday. I'll be the big. How old am I? 35? I'm 34. So we're gonna get some snacks.
You can't go kayaking for 2.5 hours without snacks.
The munchies? Oh, yeah. Yeah, that will. Yeah, that do. Oh, do you like watermelon? Sure. You don't like it. You just get stuff.
Extra long. Yeah. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you.
Okay, so I brought all my equipment to film our kayak adventures today. The camera. Well, I'm gonna try and make it work. Girl, we've only driven for 5 minutes. The powder fresh scent. Oh my gosh.
It doesn't smell good.
It smells like armpit. We're almost there, guys. Ooh. Oh, we want McDonald's first. We loves to eat. We loves to eat.
True. I really, really want a tiny home. Like it would be like that. That's what I need. Well, and that's what I can afford.
How do you get a tiny home though?
You would have to contact like builders. There's like let's go to the tiny home community.
They have it here?
I think so. I think I read it, and I hope it wasn't like a convention. A convention? What? A festival? I don't know. Whatever they be having.
Yeah.
But,
Yes. That'd be cute.
That would.
I get that expensive fish sandwich. Fish sandwich.
Who are you, Mike? What was that guy's name?
For what?
Extraordinary gentleman.
Yeah. I don't remember. No, that fish sandwich is too expensive. I just
Just get it.
Why?
Where is it anyway?
They hide it.
Hi, can I just have a few minutes, please?
Got cheeseburger?
Can I just have a few minutes, please?
Okay, 10 minutes?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Oh, girl, there it is. Ain't got no picture.
Cause don't nobody get it but me.
No, Anita gets it actually.
Oh, it's overpriced. $4. Fish sandwich and a stir fry.
Okay, I'm ready.
So you want a cheeseburger?
Please,
No pickle, extra onion, okay?
please, and a fish sandwich,
Yes.
and 2 small fries, please.
Two small fry. Okay, and that'll be it.
That's gonna be all.
Okay, your total is $8.91. Back to the window.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, we just falling out today.
Cause we got that money.
Get that money. We got that money.
It's her birthday. We don't need to be. We ain't frugal this week, okay?
With a non-meal getting. We don't want meals. But
I
we're
really
not.
just hate carrying around that cup. There's
I
so much
know.
condensation. Oh, what'd she say?
8 something.
I think it's like 51. Probably not.
I'm thinking 39.
I'm just gonna have a lot of things out.
But I'm always 93.
Yeah, 91. 890.
Oh.
Okay. Get those edges off.
Want a fryer?
No, I have my own.
This is good, but bad for you.
I'm not even eating meat right now.
You can't eat meat.
No, I'm not even eating
Oh,
meat.
you eat plastic.
Okay. With a bunch of onions.
That easy bake oven meat. Wakiva Marina.
It's Wakiva Island.
Yeah, what's the V? Oh, it's like,
I guess, I don't know why they're, I don't know, girl.
maybe it's like how Germans pronounce it.
German?
How was it?
Good, great. Some alligators out there.
Oh, yeah? Nice one.
Oh, great.
Nice one. Okay.
Be careful.
Yeah, man, I can't tell you how upset I was when I heard there were
I know.
tickets.
But that's where I was thinking of going. Did you want to get up over here?
It was so cheap, too. It was so fun.
Yeah, I don't know why.
Thanks. Be careful. Be careful. Woo. You're good.
Storm. I would do anything.
All right. We in there, girl. Get my head on. Oh, yeah. Block that sun. Block that sun. Oh, look at fish. See it? Oh. Oh, my gosh. Girl, you scared the crap out of me. I thought it was going to be closer, but I'm glad it's small. It's hard to see in my camera. Oh, let's go this way. Go away from it. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, I do. I don't want to go that way, Nene.
I'm trying to.
Stay over there, Gator. Woo! It's a workout. I see the stretch. Hey.
Good, how are you?
Good, thanks.
See? Oh, shiznit. Ah! Ah! Oh! No! Oh, Jesus. Oh. Oh, don't go back. Okay, I'm going for it. Go. Get on my side.
Don't worry about it.
Oh! Mommy. Okay. All right, let's just take.
Something in there. Got it. Okay. We're on.
All right, let's just take our time. Let's take our time. You okay?
Yeah.
You did a scary breathing thing.
Just how to kill it. That's word. That's all.
Okay, is it still in here? Thanks, Janine, for doing that. It's still in here, huh? What you killed.
No.
So, we just ran to a big tree and a big old spider got in the canoe. And my homegirl Janine, show your face, girl.
Nothing.
Oh, she's not showing herself. Oop, what happened? Why is we sideways, yo? Let me know if you backing into something. All right, forward.
Mark, another turtle.
Oh, they be like, you okay back there? I would switch with you, but girl, I tip over.
You wouldn't.
You don't think so? Okay. You want to get up here in the front?
It doesn't matter to me.
Okay. Whew. Okay, here we go. Let's steady as she goes. Steady as she goes. Okay, I'm back in the game. Oh, that bird scared me. All right, going forward. See, look how they just coasted. Yeah, that's Janine finally. Let me tip it back a little. All right, we've traveled a mile down the. Is it what river is this? A river? A creek?
Wakiva River?
Wakiva River. beautiful day. I can't look up too much because I get dizzy and I'll tip over.
She thinks she's gonna tip
Oh,
over.
Jesus.
We're not.
I don't understand how not.
Because it's a boat.
Girl, the Titanic sank too.
Huh?
Mm-hmm. Because of the Titanic. Excuse the panning.
Because it ran into a damn river. That's why.
Get a better pan shot. Down there is the springs, you said? I think the springs was on the other turn off. Let's see, there's a gator or crocodile, I'm not sure which. I don't, right there. You see it moving in the water? So we're gonna stay over here.
See the crocodile
There it is. So we're gonna stay over here. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, turn it.
I guess that should help, huh?
No, you're good. I'm steering this out their way. I'm good.
Are you?
Before you drop something, like my phone.
No, I have yours in a death grip.
I know. I just didn't want you to drop the paddle, really. All right, I'm turning us.
Okay, should I help?
Sure. And now, go this way. Sorry. Down on your left.
On your left, there's a big alligator.
What
Thanks.
should we do?
There's an alligator up there.
Oh, he said take a picture.
What should we do?
No music. No music. No music.
Hey, another gator. Wait, it is a gator, right? I believe so.
He has a longer snout. I forgot which one has the longer snout.
He's straight chilling.
And we can stay here if you want to do your Snapchat with it.
Not even that serious.
He's like,
Bye.
He's like, drive by one more time. See what happens.
Bye.
Give you the skippity paps.
I'm really trying to get you some good footage, just so you know. I'm making Janine do all the work because I haven't been doing nothing for the past 2 minutes. Okay. It's all good. Jesus. Which one are you on? Okay. I don't know what's going on. Sorry. I don't know where you're turning this. I'm just gonna. I think we're doing pretty well.
Huh?
So I think we're doing pretty well. We finally made it back. Woo! Janine.
We made it back. It was a workout. But it was a good workout. All right, Janine's battle scar when she ran into that last tree.
I don't know how to ski.
Oh man, she ran into the tree. And then
I tried to stop it. And of course the force sent me back. So there's that.
that was funny.
Are you motorboating? You have a good time.
Yes, we did.
Oh my God, you okay?
Yeah, I tripped over the rope.
No, are you good?
Yeah.
I didn't even realize. That's crazy to have a rope right there.
Yeah, I'm good. It's sand. Thank you.
I'm so sorry. I need to see what you thought. It's so bad.
It's okay. I was trying to get up without him noticing. But
He
was
came
like,
over. He came over to the bleachers like,
"You okay?" I was like, "God." Girl, shut up.